Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix alt tapping out of the game screen turns black for 2 to 3 seconds. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. Make sure you selected the main screen and then scroll down and select advanced display. Just need to select our main screen display over here and choose a refresh rate. Click on the drop down and select where highest refresh rate you have. In my case I have 60 refresh rate. After selecting the highest refresh rate, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up the game. After you are in the game, you just need to press the escape key and go to settings. Go to display settings over here and you just need to set the refresh rate you set it in your Windows settings. The same refresh rate you just need to select in here and then select apply to save changes and then go back and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.